What's up everybody? Today we're going to be installing our inner fender armor panels on this Polaris Ranger XP1000. So let's get right to it. So if you have a skid plate installed on your machine, specifically a SuperATV skid plate, you're going to notice that you have this front metal bracket here. You're going to have to remove all three of the fasteners from this and discard it. So you'll have a self-tapping screw here, you should have one here, and then out here you will have an Allen with a 13mm nut on it. So what we're going to do is come in here with our 5mm Allen and our 13mm wrench. Then just remove this hardware. And if you've installed this skid plate previously, you should be fairly familiar with what the hardware is and where it's located. Then we'll switch over to a 10mm socket. Remove the hardware and then the bracket. So we're going to take our panel and get it into position. We'll kind of slide it around until the panel sits flush on either side. So it should be sitting flush over here, and down here on the frame. So once you have it where you want it, go ahead and mark the center of each of your holes. So 3 on the outside, 2 on the inside up top. We'll have 2 on the bottom on the frame. Now we're going to take a 5/16 drill bit on our drill and drill each of these holes here, these 2 holes up here, and then these bottom holes. Now that we have all our holes drilled, we're going to take our panel and get it installed to the machine. We're going to grab our push pins out of the kit. Now that we have our passenger side panel installed, we're going to go to the driver's side and install our panel. The process is pretty much the same, except the driver's side doesn't have as much hardware. So again, same process, take your panel, get it laid into position, mark your holes. So once you have all your hardware installed, that's all there is to it to install SuperATV's inner fender armor panels on this Polaris Ranger XP1000 crew. Be sure to check the description below for a link to pick yours up today, and while you're there, drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.